Brian with the Frostbite JL channel. Today we're back with some new auxiliary lighting for the JL. I'm pretty excited about this. This is KC's new Slimlite LED. And I also got the JL JT 8-pillar brackets we're going to use, and then I got their locking security nuts for the lights as well. So I'm pretty excited to get these on the Jeep. We're going to do a quick unboxing today and we'll go over my initial impressions. Alright guys, so let's come on in here and we'll start with the unboxing. I'm going to start with the brackets that you get. So these are going to be the Jeep JL and JT pillar brackets, 7318. And we'll get these opened up. So this will kind of mount these new lights, or any other KCs or any other LEDs for that matter, kind of up on the A pillar. And these particular ones mount them pretty high and kind of off to the side, so they should be pretty nice. Alright, looks like it comes with some instructions. And the brackets here, they're wrapped up pretty good. And the nice thing about these is they are one hole kind of down towards the hood on the cowl area, and then one hole through the windshield hinge. So it's pretty sturdy, so it'll be pretty nice. It also has a nice slot so you can go side to side. And the nice thing about this is they used to be silver, metal color, and now they painted them black on the mount there, so that'll be nice, won't be as noticeable. And then we also ordered the light locks. So these are pretty cool. These will go on the bottom of the light, and they use a special key to tighten these down. They have a little recess for the lock washer too, so they sit pretty flush. So, if you want to park your Jeep outside or at the mall, that kind of thing, you can lock them up so nobody's going to run off with them. So those are pretty neat. Now let's dive into this guy. Alright, so now for the good part. I'm pretty excited about these. We're going to dive into unboxing the Slimlites. And this is KC's new LED version. And these are supposed to be pretty bright. I believe they're over 7,200 lumens each. It's a 50-watt light, but they're 60% brighter than their old 100-watt lights. So it's going to be quite a bit more light. So right off the bat, got a nice wiring harness. We won't be using a whole lot of this just because my JL does have the auxiliary switch group, so we'll just need the connections for the power and negative. Looks like you get a cool sticker there. Alright, so now we're going to get in here. So the package is pretty nice. And there's your classic grill covers. I had a pair of KCs on my old TJ, and they had these same grill covers, and they're pretty sweet. Alright, these are in the bubble wrap. So here's going to be the new LED Slimlite. This one has 10 Cree LEDs on it. Let's get the other one out here. Got it nice and bubble wrap, and then they also have it protected on the lens here with some cellophane. Oh yeah, those guys are nice. And they got some nice cooling vents up here, and then they've got the weatherproof plug in the back that will plug into that harness. I also like how all the hardware is black as well, so it's going to be pretty stealthy. So these are those new Slimlite LEDs. I do like them. They're nice thin profile, and like I said, they're going to be about 7,200 lumens each, just over. And they're quite a bit brighter than anything else on the market at this price point. So I'm going to get these installed on the Jeep here real soon. We'll do a video for that. But let's go ahead and we'll finish on up here. Alright guys, one more thing. I wanted to show you these covers. Like I said, these are kind of the classic KC style covers. And then you can also rock them without the cover. This does have an anti-shatter lens on it, and these are aluminum and they've got UV coating to it. So these just pop on and off really quick. You can just do them right before you go out on the trail. They're also going to be coming out with an amber one, I read online, so that'll be cool to have an amber cover for that. So this is the wire harness that you get. Again, it is going to have the nice weatherproof connections. It's also going to have a switch that it comes with, and it's going to have a fuse and relay, everything you need. Like I said, I'm not going to be using that on mine because I have the auxiliary group, but it's nice to have and that they include it. You also get a sticker, and then I did buy this right around Christmas. I got their holiday sale, and they were nice enough to send a Christmas card and a stocking, a patch, and a little ornament for next year. So that was pretty nice. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the setup, and I can't wait to get these on the Jeep. Alright guys, as always, thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned. We're going to be installing these on the Jeep in the next video, and we also got other stuff we're going to be putting on the Jeep. We're doing a bigger lift, and we got some fun trips planned here in the future. So go ahead and stick around. And then as always, I'm going to go ahead and put some links for my Amazon store down below if you like these lights and you like to put them on your JL. Alright, thanks guys. We'll see you next time.